In this video, we'll be going over some quick and easy solutions for any problems you might run into with your GARDENA Sileno. The mower can get stuck if the cutting system is blocked or if the mower has been lifted or trapped. Here's what you can do. Check for any obstructions in the mower's path, such as branches, rocks, or tall grass. Ensure the mower is level and not caught on anything, like uneven ground or an obstacle. Look under the mower to see if there's anything that could be blocking the cutting system, like debris or tangled grass. Reset the mower by turning it off and back on. Sometimes this can help clear the issue. Wire loop signal errors can sometimes pop up, especially if the mower is having trouble detecting the boundary wire. Restarting the mower by turning it off and back on again can resolve this issue. If the error continues, it might be a good idea to check the boundary wire for any damage or breaks. If you have a cable break, don't worry. It's an issue that can be fixed. Please refer to Section 7.4 of your owner's manual for detailed instructions on how to repair or replace the cable. Keeping your mower's firmware up to date is crucial for smooth operation. You can install the latest firmware updates by following the steps in Section 6.4 of your owner's manual. It happens to the best of us. If you've forgotten your PIN code, don't worry, we've got you covered. Contact our customer service team for help in resetting your PIN. Alternatively, you can fill out the form on our website and we'll assist you further. If you're experiencing issues with the GARDENA mobile app, it's important to make sure you're within the 30-foot range of the mower and that the app is updated to the most recent version. If you're still having problems, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can often clear up any glitches. After reinstalling and being within range of the mower, check if the app is working properly. If any of these problems continue to persist, remember that our customer service team is always there to help you. We want to make sure you can enjoy your GARDENA Sileno Flex.